Okay, so let's try example number 2. The integral of dx over x times the square root of 9x squared plus 4. So let's try this one. Yan. Sulat muna natin dito. Number 2. The integral of dx over x times the square root of 9x squared plus 4. Okay, so yung integral natin contains the form square root of u squared plus a. Okay, so sabi ko kanina computative yung addition natin. That's why pwede siyang mag-interchange. So ngayon, nauna si u and then si a. So yung a natin is equal to 2 since 2 squared is equal to 4. And then yung u natin will be equal to 3x. So yung buong to is the u squared, okay? So that will be 3x. And so, yung isusubstitute natin sa u will be equal to, since u squared plus a squared to, that will be a tangent theta. Now, u natin is equal to 3x. So, and a natin is equal to 2. So, ito yung isusubstitute natin sa value ng x. Divide natin both sides by 3 para x na lang yung matira dito sa left side natin. So, substitute natin sa mga x natin dito will be equal to 2 over 3 tangent theta. Okay? So, from there, kunin natin yung derivative niya. So, the derivative of x will be equal to 2 over 3. What is the derivative of tangent? That will be secant squared theta. So that will be secant squared theta d theta. So we are now ready to substitute these values dito sa i-integrate natin. So this will be equal to dx is 2 over 3 secant squared theta d theta all over our x, that is 2 over 3 tangent theta times the square root of 9, tapos multiply natin yung x natin, tangent theta, quantity squared, and then plus 4. Okay, so we can cancel this one. And then we are left with secant squared theta d theta all over tangent theta. Tapos isimplify natin to. This will be equal to the square root of 9 times naka-square to. So this will be equal to 4 over 9 tangent squared theta plus 4. So we can cancel this one. We can cancel this one, and then we will be left with secant squared theta d theta all over tangent theta times the square root of 4 tangent squared theta plus 4. So simplifying further, we have this integral of secant squared theta d theta all over tangent theta. We can factor out si 4 since common sa kanila. So this will be equal to 4 times tangent squared theta plus 1. Okay. So, balik ulit tayo sa identities natin. Si tangent squared theta plus 1 is can be substituted with, this is equal to, hanapin natin sa trigonometric identities natin. Okay, so sa Pythagorean relations natin, 1 plus tangent squared a is equal to secant a. So, ilagay ko na lang dito. Recall that 1 plus tangent squared a is equal to secant squared a. Okay, so we can replace this one with secant squared a. So this is equal to secant squared theta d theta all over tangent theta times the square root of 4. Tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. Okay. Since they are both perfect squares, pwede nating tanggalin si radical symbol. So this will be equal to secant squared theta d theta all over tangent theta. Yan, tangent theta, and then times 2 secant theta. Okay, they are perfect squares, so tinanggal lang natin yung. Okay, so since multiplication to, pwede nating tanggalin or i-cancel out si secant theta. And then yung isa dito. So we will be left with secant theta d theta all over tangent theta. Now, recall ulit natin yung identities natin. So, si secant theta, we can replace it with 1 over cosine theta. And then, si tangent theta naman can be replaced with sine theta over cosine theta. And from here, of course, si d theta, we can cancel si cosine theta. Okay? Since both denominators sila. If you recall yung in, out, out natin. Okay, so we will be left with 1 over sine theta d theta. And 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. So, ito na ngayon yung i-integrate natin. Now, what is the integral of cosecant theta? So, looking at your formula sheet, our cosecant theta, oh, I forgot, yung 2 dito. Okay, so ilabas na lang natin dito. Merong dapat 2 dito. So, ilabas na lang natin. Ito siya. This one. Don't forget ha, nakalimutan ko kasi. So, 1/2 and then 1/2 tapos 1/2. Okay. So, yung integral ng cosecant theta natin is equal to 1/2 times ln of cosecant theta minus cotangent theta. And of course, C plus C. Now, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, mag-Pythagorean theorem ulit tayo to get the value of our theta. So, dito natin ilagay si theta. Now, yung x natin is equal to 2 over 3 tangent theta. So, our x is equal to 2 over 3 tangent theta. So, if you are going to get the value of tangent theta, we are going to cross multiply si 3 dito and si 2 sa baba. So, this will be equal to 3x over 2 tangent theta. So, yung tangent theta natin is TOA. So, this will be opposite and this is adjacent. So, since dito yung angle natin, our opposite will be here and adjacent will be here. So that our hypotenuse will be 9x squared plus 4. Okay? So, yung cosecant natin is 1 over sine. Tama? So, this will be equal to 1/2 times ln of, okay, isulat na lang natin dito si cosine theta. Cosine theta will be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, that is 9x squared plus 4. And then si sine theta naman natin will be that is opposite over square root of 9x squared plus 4, si hypotenuse. Okay? So, from there, pwede nating i-write si cosecant theta as 1 over sine theta. Okay? So, this will be equal to 1 over, what is sine theta? That is 3x over square root of 9x squared plus 4. And then, minus cotangent natin is 1 over tan. So, this one, 1 over tan. 1 over 3x over 2. And then, C plus C natin. So, simplifying further, we have 1/2 ln of in, out, out. So, our numerator will be 9x squared plus 4 over 3x. minus this one, 1 over, that is 2 over 3x, and then c plus c. So that is our, this is our final answer for example number